this video we're going to look at styles on flat 3D text. So I'm going to open up my page. I'm going to put some text object in. Let's just name that. And I'm going to set it up so there's no word wrap. Left justified. Set it up for automatic. You don't have to worry about that. That's just me setting things up. So here I have some text. It's Arial. The color is white. So I'm going to save this as a style. To save it as a style, I select the edit text. I go to the style palette and click on this button here. And that creates a style from the selected text. That's saved there. Now I can give this a name if I want to, so I can rename that and call it headline if this was the style for my headline. And I can also give it a style shortcut letter. Now we'll look at the style shortcut letters a little bit later. So what I'm going to do now is unselect this style. Select my text, which is selected. Let's change the font. So let's make that narrow italic. I'm going to make this a different colour. Make that orangey red colour. I'm going to change the size. And I'm going to save that as a new style. So with nothing selected here in the style palette, I click on the button again and that's now saved as a new style. Again, I can rename this. Call it my italic look. And again, I can give that a shortcut style letter. So again, unselect the text. I'm going to assign one more style. This time we're going to make it bright yellow. And we're going to choose something chunky. Arial black. I'm going to make it much bigger. 40. And it's all selected, so into my style palette I'm going to save that. I'm going to save this with a style letter, shortcuts D. Now you don't have to give it a name, you can just leave it as a character style. This selected text here, or any text that I have selected, what I can do is I can click on the style I want to use, then I can apply it using this button here. So if I wanted to apply it to all the text, I select all the text and I apply the style. Coming down here to the properties of my text, I can edit my text. I can go hello, and that will be in the style that the text object is saved in the moment. Then if I use a square bracket, I can do SB, and what this is going to do is this is going to call up style B from here. So the text that follows should now be italic, and then I can change style again. Pixel power. So that's going to be style C, close the square bracket, then pixel power. And again, I can go back to style A if I want to. Now, one thing about these square brackets with the SB and the styles in them, so SB for style B, SC for style C, is it doesn't add a space into your characters. So if I want a space between hello and from, I have to make sure that there is a space in here. So I click OK, and there are my 4 styles.